Okay, this is Blondie. She's about 38 inches tall. She can wear size 4T or 5T. The head and hands are carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. The outfit she's wearing is handmade. The body is wood frame covered in cloth. Eyes are acrylic. See, the mouth works good. So the hands are carved from wood. The wig is stapled on, so if you ever have to make repairs, you just take the staples out. There's a screw on each side of the head. You unscrew that and you take the back plate off if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of adjustments. The back is cut out, so you can put your hand in here. I have a rubber band that holds this on to the body, so when not in use, you just take it off. We have a ring lever here, and it works good for whether you're going to use your finger or your thumb, your left or your right hand. I find this works the best. It's what I always used. So if you're interested in Blondie here, you can contact me on my Facebook page and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.